watchers, and welcome to another event with Living with the Bashams. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on the next event outing.
Move forward so you can see.
Welcome to the biggest event in Brisbane, the Brisbane New Year's Eve fireworks show. This year we wanted to take it easy and avoid the crowd, so we decided on a spot where we could go and watch the fireworks still, but not be in a populated or crowded place at the same time.
Oh, see that? At the building.
If you want to avoid the crowd but still want to be able to view and enjoy the fireworks, then this is probably the best location to do that from.
Your favorite color, Billy, is cyan.
Cyan.
Thinking there.
You're hurting my dress. You are stinky.
Sorry.
Mommy was talking to me.
The family is watching the fireworks show from a very popular location within Brisbane. It's a short drive from South Bank, but a bit of a walk. If you're visiting Brisbane, then you can catch a bus directly to this location.
Pink, yellow, pink, green.
Pink and white?
Pink, green. I'm going to say all the colors. Yellow, green, pink. Pink, green, yellow, yellow, green. Yellow, green, yellow. Whoa, look at them. Hey. Look at them, they're just going slowly, slowly.
On this occasion, this was perfect for us as we could quickly get in and get out as quickly as we can straight after the fireworks was done, and just the right distance away so you can still clearly see and hear the fireworks as it happens. So, if you don't want to head into South Bank, but you still want to see the fireworks, but don't want to get caught up in the crowd, then head to Highgate Hill Park.
It's the ending now.
This is the end? Yep, it's the ending. Flavor lap, chocolate line. I'm pretending like all of the fireworks are coming out of guns.
This fireworks show is the family one. It starts at 7:45 for the families and the kids. You don't want to hang around for the 12 o'clock show.